one of you. This Sunday ko you took the time and you came on actually not a short notice, 1 week notice, but you came, mashallah. Thank you so much for giving us your time this afternoon. Before we start this media briefing, and as I promised, we will be getting you out at 3:30. Uske baad 3:30 when we finish, there will be tea and snacks. So please make sure कि आपने वो क्या कहते हैं रोटी छोटी खा के रहना. Do not leave before you eat something here, inshallah, because we don't know the next event you might go to, what would be the situation there. वो कहते हैं जो कबूतर हाथ में है, मैं बोली शेख साहब, वो जो हाथ में है वो उनसे बेहतर है कि जो गाड़ियों के पीछे है. Okay, so make sure you grab what we have. So let's get this going. Before we start talking about the Muslim Expo, few community announcements. So yesterday, community honored one of our community members as honorary engineer title. और कुछ लोगों ने देख लिया होगा, कुछ ने नहीं देखा होगा. So I am talking about Janab Baba Irfan Malik Sahab.
Thank you, sir.
He's standing there. So now in order to call him Baba Irfan Malik, he's now engineer Irfan Malik Sahab.
Thank you, sir.
And why is that happened? Because Irfan Malik Sahab's father, grandfather, and all the other hierarchy, many of them were engineers, and we thought, how come Irfan Malik Sahab is not an engineer? But then the question came, what kind of engineer? Junaid bhai? तो अब ये मसला था कि इनको shall we make him civil engineer, electrical engineer, mechanical, what sort of engineering? This would be a good one, but we came up with community engineer.
Thank you.
Baba Irfan Malik Sahab जो है वो Brother Buddha, by the way, Irfan Malik Sahab is very well known in the community when it comes to bring people together, when it comes to get the word out. You will see this media briefing will be on Facebook for at least next 24 hours or money back guarantee. माशाल्लाह आप सब
Thank you very much.
बाबा इरफान मलिक साहब के लिए engineer.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And second,